Hey, drinking espresso from Starbucks for the first time. Premium espresso beverage, 6 ounce, 6.5 ounce. Shake it a little bit, shake it, shake it, shake it. We'll see how is the taste like. A little bit taste like what they call the milk, silk, not milk, silk. By the way, this is cost $5 with tax. I paid $4.49 plus tax, $5 freaking. We'll see if it is going to keep me awake. So good, actually. That was so good. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.